Yo, what up? Your boy Sam here. Time for another video. Today I have some Sampanada sliders. They're going to be really good. Check them out. Alright, we got a nice little sizzle going to these guys. They're almost ready for their transformation. Okay guys, real quick, this is what I've been doing. I'll take my little sliders right here. Get some provolone cheese in the center of that disc. Then I take every piece of this disc and I fold it in. Okay. Pack it up and move on to the next one. Okay guys, now that they're all ready, I'm going to throw them on for probably 2 to 3 minutes, maybe 4 on each side. Put them in the same way we did the other guys. And until they get golden brown, then you're good. Okay, we'll start with those. Guys, now that we got these guys made, let's crack it open, see what it looks like in the middle. Get our little taste test on. Ooh, still hot, still hot. Ooh. Alright. Looking beautiful in the middle. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks amazing. It's still hot. Oh yeah, this is what's up. Alright guys, the Sampanada slider. Enjoy.